Tired of manually calculating and scheduling payroll for your team? Do you ever wish you could just set it and forget it? If you're using Wave to manage your small business, you're in luck. Setting up and customizing your pay schedule is one of the most powerful features of Wave's payroll service. It helps you save time, reduce errors, and ensure your team gets paid on a reliable, consistent schedule. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple, step-by-step process of setting up and customizing your pay schedule in Wave. First, let's get started. Log into your Wave account and navigate to the payroll dashboard. From there, you'll see a section for your pay schedule. If you're setting this up for the first time, you'll click Set Schedule. If you've already set one up and need to make changes, you'll see an Edit Schedule option. Wave gives you a few different options for pay frequency: weekly, every other week, twice a month, and once a month. The right choice for you depends on your business needs and your employees' preferences. For each option, Wave automatically sets up the pay period and pay date. For a weekly or bi-weekly schedule, the pay period always starts and ends on the same days of the week, and you can adjust the pay date to be a few days after the period ends. This is especially helpful if you're using direct deposit, which requires a few business days to process. For a twice-a-month schedule, the periods are set to the 1st through the 15th and the 16th through the end of the month. Once you choose this, you can't adjust those specific dates. The same goes for the once-a-month schedule, which is set to the 1st through the last day of the month. Once you've selected your frequency, you can customize your payday. You'll see a field where you can set the number of days after the pay period ends that you'll be paying your employees. Remember that direct deposit takes a few business days, so you'll want to factor that in. When you have your schedule set, click Save and Continue. It's important to know that once you approve your first payroll, you won't be able to change the frequency without contacting Wave's support team. So make sure you're confident in your choice before you hit that final button. And that's it. With your pay schedule set, you're one step closer to a streamlined and stress-free payroll process. Now your payroll runs will be pre-filled with the correct dates, making it a breeze to approve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.